The rise of automated vacuum robots.
Automated vacuum robots have become a common sight in many homes. These devices use advanced technology to clean floors with minimal human intervention. But how do they know where to go and how to avoid obstacles? Let's explore the science that powers these clever machines and keeps your living space spotless.
Sensors, the eyes and ears of the robot.
Vacuum robots rely on a range of sensors to navigate. Infrared and optical sensors detect walls, furniture, and drop-offs like stairs. Bump sensors help robots recognize physical contact with objects. Together, these sensors enable the robot to avoid obstacles, prevent falls, and find its way around the ever-changing layout of your home.
Mapping your space, SLAM technology.
That simultaneous localization and mapping is a key technology in smart vacuums. Using lasers or cameras, robots create a virtual map of your rooms while tracking their own position. This helps them plan efficient paths, remember cleaned areas, and improve their navigation. Mapping ensures no spot is left untouched.
Navigation strategies, cleaning with precision.
Modern vacuum robots use intelligent navigation algorithms instead of random movement. They follow systematic patterns, such as straight lines or spirals, to cover every inch efficiently. Some models allow users to set no-go zones or clean specific areas using an app. These strategies prevent missed spots and save both time and battery life.
Handling real-world challenges.
Smart vacuums can tackle a variety of cleaning scenarios. They adjust to different floor types and automatically increase suction on carpets. If they encounter tangled cords or tough obstacles, some robots can untangle themselves or send alerts. By combining reliable mapping, sensors, and adaptive technology, automated vacuums deliver a thorough clean in real homes.